Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop the Microsoft Edge is being used for sharing pop-up error. So as a Windows 10 user, you may receive a warning message saying that Microsoft Edge is being used for sharing when you try to close the Edge browser. Don't worry too much, it's easy to fix this issue. So when this pop-up you're always coming into your windows, you just close it, and this that will be it. If you that will be fix the error. But the Microsoft Edge is being used for sharing. Pop-up warning appears when Windows 10 user attempt to close the Edge browser, but it doesn't work when you close the Edge browser. Most effective users are reporting that this warning message pops up every time they attempt to close the Edge browser. So this particular warning pop-up occurs due to Microsoft Edge glitch that is tricking the browser into thinking it's always in the middle of sharing content. So how to stop it? You just have to, if you close it and it didn't work, you just have to go to Task Manager. You just have to go to your Task Manager. So click on your Task bar, then go to Task Manager. Then you just have to go to the name option, and you can see the Microsoft Edge. If the Microsoft Edge is not close properly, you just have to go to the task manager, right click on it, and you can see there's an option called end task. Click on end task, so that will properly close the Microsoft Edge from your Windows. So that's it, and the error will not show again. So that's it for the tutorial. This is a very simple straightforward tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.